Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you the ultimate airdrop. How do you participate inside of our channel? So this is the Ranga Finance channels. If you get this video, YouTube push you this video, you are lucky. So please do join in the channel. Just check out description box for getting the link. Then check out even this link that I provided. Simply click on the pin post, and here is if you reach the cycle leave or balance. A lot of airdrop I listed in here. So what you need to do, you need to just go through first to last. Okay, so let's say you want to do circles, so go through circles and click on here, open it up. Okay, open it up anyway inside of your browser. So let's say you want to open it now, go through it. Okay, so it will be opened up for you immediately. Just you need to provide as much efficiently as possible the information, email and username of your Twitter, and that's it. Then you will be click on join and its participate is done. Now again click on here, that is done. Now as much account as you can do it, because the more account you will do, the more money you can earn from here. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's done. Now go through Leeward. How do you participate? Go through Leeward, copy it and paste it into your browser. Okay, so I'm trying to paste it into my Midas browser. Okay, because of Midas browser is the extension feature has inside of the mobile phone. You can use it Web3. So therefore Midas browser is awesome in the Web3, in the crypto space, especially as a browser. Okay, so it is going to be opened up for us. Just wait a minute and it will be opened up for us. So simply click the MetaMask in order to connect it. First you need to connect your wallet in here, and your MetaMask should have added inside of Mises browser. Okay, you probably know it. Okay, Mises browser is being opening. Sorry, MetaMask is being opening up, and it will be connected with um, Lever website. Okay, very simple and straightforward. Everybody knows it. Okay, anyway, so it is being opening up for us. So we will just put the password in here. BC 1 2 3, and it is being connected with us. Just wait a minute in here. Now it's connected, and even reached my point in here, 21,980 point. Now you can do this complete task, totally free task. You can do it and you can increase your point in here. So I'm simply click on here. Okay, now it is just being opening up quest, and we will done together this quest. You will see how much good this quest are. Okay, so it's just opening up. So just simply click this artist and start the quest. And who is the creator of the, okay, it is like it is. You connect again. It has lost, okay, this connection. Just wait a minute, I'm just trying to get it done. Wherever you are, simply connect it. Okay, so now I will click the connect. Who is the creator of this art? Lin Fang Man, whoever, Guru. Kibaishi, stay with me. Damien Hirst. And my network problem even reached. Sorry, my network is 2G inside of my room. How amazing place I'm living. You noticed anyway. So just done this quest, 3 quest, and you'll be able to increase your point. If you notice my point in this section in here, 21,980 in the Liberty Airdrop Art Points universe. Okay, if you see their stuff in here, if you just read, earn points on Libert to become eligible for an airdrop for art token by end of the 2024 and early 2025. Pretty soon they will be launched in the mainnet, and probably will be get something from here totally free. And getting money free is incredible because of money is getting hard. Okay, everybody want it, therefore I will encourage you to do join inside of this airdrop. And if you are passionate about doing more airdrop, definitely do join inside of our telegram. Our telegram, you already know where has that, inside of the channel description box and video description box. So definitely do the join. Okay, I will encourage you to doing the subscribe if this video is likely to help you, and do share with people who are want money and they need money. Okay, so please do it.